To begin with a sensational news that we have got for you from Tamil Nadu, and this is a charge by the BJP president of Tamil Nadu, Annamalai. In fact, he has put out a video on social media platform X, and he is actually accusing DMK being a party that is full of thieves in disguise. Now let's explain to you the video that he has put out and a post that he has put out. In a post accompanying the video that he shared on social media platform X, Annamalai has written, Mr. Zakir Hussain, DMK councillor of Ward 25 of Coonoor Municipal Council, steals bangles under the guise of anti-Hindi Thiruta, which is thief, and DMK can never be separated. And this is the video that we are now showing to our viewers that he has put out. Now, this is a 30-second video, viewers, that Annamalai of the Bharatiya Janata Party has put out on social media platform X. In this video, there is an oath-taking ceremony that's happening, and DMK member can be seen trying to remove a gold bangle from the hand of a fellow pledger. Just look at this video very, very carefully. And there you can see on your screens right now. There is a DMK member who can be seen trying to remove a gold bangle from the hand of a fellow pledger. Another woman who is standing in between suddenly swats his hand away, and then he reattempts removing the bangle. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Varshini, who is joining us on the broadcast for more on this big story from Tamil Nadu. Varshini, the visuals are absolutely shocking. Firstly, explain to us what exactly is happening in this video that has been put out by Annamalai. Who is this person? Has he said anything on this incident? What is the view of the DMK on what we are seeing and showing to our viewers right now?
This particular video that we are watching right now is from the birthday of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin. In fact, on March 1st, on the account of his birthday, he asked all the DMK functionaries throughout the state of Tamil Nadu to take an oath to fight against the, lot of things that is happening in the state, particularly delimitation and the three-language policy growth is currently happening. And upon his, instructions, there were multiple places where multiple occasions people were taking oath, and this incident happened in the Coonoor area of Nilgiris district. And in the Coonoor area, when a bunch of councillors in that particular locality came together, this person is a DMK councillor. He is Zakir Hussain, and he is seen touching the bangle and trying to remove the bangle of the hand from a fellow DMK councillor, Susila. She is also a councillor, elected councillor, and that is municipal councillor, and that is what we are witnessing at this point. And now when this video has gone viral and the BJP state president Annamalai is speaking about how DMK is a party with thieves, and that is what we are explicitly seeing in this video. And apart from that, this person, the DMK councillor Zakir Hussain, has given a clarification saying that the woman was standing behind. I wanted to bring her to the front. Instead of touching her hand, I tried to touch her bangle and pull her to the front so that she can also be seen in the forefront. Is what
Varshini, that doesn't look like the case really. If we see this video very, very carefully, because as you were describing it for our viewers, we were also looking at the sequence of events here. Now, if the defense is that he was trying to, pull her in the front, but that doesn't seem to be happening in this video. Let's go full frame with this video, viewers, that has now gone viral, and let's explain to you what exactly this DMK member is trying to do in this particular video. And Varshini, we can see he is actually pulling the bangle out of her hand. So it is clearly an attempt to steal. That's something that is there. A picture is worth more than 1,000 words, as they say, and these visuals are telling the story on their own. But then there is another woman who tries to stop him, and then again he tries to do the same thing. The question really is that, one, it is an attempt to steal, which is there on camera, viewers, for everyone to see. And second, this is an inappropriate behavior in public by a DMK member, which we all can see. How can we deny that? Look how he is trying to, put his hand on the hand of another woman member there, trying to pull the bangle out of her hand. I mean, this is absolutely shocking, Varshini. I mean, is this the kind of behavior we expect from, members from various political parties? And here we are talking about a DMK councillor.
Absolutely, yes. That is why this has now become a major concern and a topic of discussion, because he is an elected member of the Nilgiri district, and he is also somebody who has been voted to the position of a municipal councillor, and the woman that is also now been subjected to such kind of harassment in public is also a elected DMK councillor, and that is what the question that is being raised by the opposition and other people is about. How can this happen to a councillor herself? If this is the state of affairs to a woman who's also holding a political position, what about the women in the rest of the women in the society is what? Because of late we've been seeing the increasing number of crimes against women in the state of Tamil Nadu, and that has always been a topic of question, discussion. And now with this particular incident, an issue happening to a fellow elected councillor, then what is the status of the women in the state is what is the question being raised by the opposition right now. So we'll have to see how the DMK is also going to react in this matter, because his defense is clearly out in the air, but also the party, whether it's going to back its functionary or come out and condemn him, is something that we'll have to wait and see.
Right, and also Varshini, can you explain to us, a little bit about this oath-taking ceremony that was happening when this shocking incident took place? And that also goes to show how for these people's representatives, people don't really matter. Look at their behavior. They're supposed to be taking care of the people. Stay on with us, Varshini. I'll come to you on that point in just a bit. In fact, we are joined by C.R. Keswan, who is from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Good morning. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to this video that we are showing of a DMK councillor who, one, is attempting to steal a gold bangle from a woman member of the DMK standing next to him, and second, the inappropriate behavior that can be seen on camera.
Good morning to you and your viewers. First thing is, this is the state of women, that they are not safe and they're endangered in the state of Tamil Nadu. Been seeing lawlessness and the kind of violent attacks which women have been facing, and this is happening right in front. And this is a DMK councillor. It's appalling, because this showcases the mindset of the DMK's culture, because what is happening in Tamil Nadu is, completely loot and corruption for the last 4 years, and then they want to distract it by using, creating false binaries of imposing Hindi or, North-South divide. And here, the guise of an anti-Hindi protest, blatantly, this person is indulging in such despicable, unbecoming activities, and I don't know whether any action has been taken against him. That you should ask the DMK.
Well, absolutely. But what is it that the BJP is now demanding in this particular case?
It's up to the DMK. It's right on TV. The question is, if you don't agree with this, if you're going to condemn what is happening to a woman and the councillor is indulging in this, shouldn't the DMK take appropriate action?
Yes. Absolutely. We'll ask these questions of the DMK as well. Thank you, C.R. Keswan. Appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me go back to my colleague Varshini, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Varshini, now that's the question the BJP is asking. Remember, viewers, this video was put out by Annamalai of the BJP, who is Tamil Nadu State President of the BJP. We just heard from C.R. Keswan, another leader of the BJP, saying that DMK must take action against this inappropriate behavior that's out there for everyone to see. Varshini, that's the big question. What is the DMK saying about it? Will action be taken against this person, this DMK councillor?
Well, as of now, there has not been a reaction from the party's high command with respect to this particular video that has now gone viral. But there is an expectation that some kind of an action would be taken with the, we have seen that the Chief Minister time and again has been given assurances whenever, and anything against a woman, any atrocity against a woman was being reported. The Chief Minister clearly kept speaking about how anybody, be it anybody from the party, outside of the party, justice will be served for the victims, and immediate action would be taken was the promise he has been making for the past couple of months since the Anna University sexual assault issue happened. So one can only hope that the DMK will take
we'll wait and see the response from DMK, the action that is taken against this DMK councillor from DMK. That's the demand of the BJP as well. Varshini, for now, thank you for joining us with all of those details. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break, but we'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.